Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love. Thank you. This is your general love reading for the month of March 2021. This is the last reading for the month of March. Okay, then April will start. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, Aquarius, you can skip it out, Aquarius, okay? And take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general love reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. And I don't read reversals. Gender is not specific here. And let's start your general love reading for the month of March 2021. I have already uploaded your general reading. You can have a look on that too. Now let's start your general love reading for the month of March 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay, I am not going to take it. Fine. Ten of Swords. Someone is going through with lot of pain, but they're completing this cycle. See, I told you they are completing a cycle here. And here I'm getting the World card, the Ten of Swords and the World, because there is no 11 here, Aquarius. So someone is going through with lot of pain, heartbreaks. Someone has gone through lot of... 1 minute. Yeah, so someone is going through with lot of pain. Someone has put all the swords in their bag. Can you see? So yeah, they are completing a cycle here. The World card is here. There is a completion of cycle which they need to complete. They are closing out a cycle here. Now let's see what are the more messages. See, bottom of the deck I'm having 10 of Wands. Again, 10 of Wands and 10 of Swords, both are here. That's why this person is completing a cycle here. The World card is here. But let's see who is this person. Either this is your energy or this is your person energy, but someone is going through with lot of pain here, but they're completing a cycle here, Aquarius. Now let's see what are the messages. Knight of Swords. What are the messages? Knight of Swords. Someone is coming towards you by running, by rushing in a very fast way. See, lot of movement, lot of communication, rushing energy is here, Aquarius. Okay, this is not a new energy. This is someone from your past who is going through with lot of pain, is coming back here, who is rushing towards you, wants to communicate. Lot of communication is indicated. They are coming towards you. And this is the Lovers. Can you see the Lovers is here? This is Six of Cups. This is your soulmate, your twin flame, someone from your past. I told you this is not a new energy here. Two of Cups. Can you see? And this is a divinely guided relationship. See, a lot of angels, divine energy is here, Aquarius. This is someone, this card is also a soulmate card. So this person is going through with lot of pain and heartbreaks and everything. They are, going through with lot of pain, but they are now completing a cycle here, the World card. They are closing out a cycle, and now they are coming towards you, Aquarius. They are rushing towards you. Beautiful. The Lovers is here. The Six of Cups. This is also a soulmate card. Someone from your past is coming back here. You both know each other here. You both have spent many past lives together. Maybe this life also you have spent lives together, the days together, the memories together here. The Two of Cups is also here. There is a communication which is coming for you. Okay, lot of communication. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages. The Seven of Cups. Okay. the Seven of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles here. So maybe this person was exploring other options other than you, but you are enjoying your singlehood here, Aquarius. You are single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Yeah, see, Two of Pentacles. They were juggling a lot. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords. There is Page of Swords and there is Hangman. So they were keeping an eye on you. They're feeling like an hangman. They were unable to move in a forward direction. They were unable to make a decision here. They were juggling a lot because they were exploring other options other than you. Any other message for Aquarius? There is a lot of fighting, arguments, drama with this person here. Maybe you both were fighting a lot in the past and now they are thinking that you are not going to accept a cup from them. The Four of Cups is here. They think that you are not going to accept a cup from them. But they're keeping the strength with them here. See, Three of Swords. They put you in a third party situation. This is somewhat I can getting the message that they are getting the taste of their own medicines here. They left you out in cold. They were the ones who juggling a lot. Okay, they put you in a third party situation. Yeah, see, now they want to move in a forward direction with you, but this person was a player kind of energy here. Knight of Wands. This person was someone who was a player kind of energy. They put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart many times. That's why they're thinking that you are going to reject their cup. They're thinking that you are going to reject the cup. Because there were a lot of fighting, drama, arguments with this person. Maybe you both were fighting a lot. And you are here, enjoying your singlehood. You are happy, alone, flourishing, You know that you are abundant in your own way. And they see you as someone who is very abundant here. See, King of Pentacles. This person is someone who is maybe financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage his finances. Any other message for Aquarius? That's the judgment which is being made by the divine. Here, the judgment card is here. Some kind of, this relation is divinely guided, Aquarius, okay? This is some kind of soulmate relationship, I can say that, because lot of angel energy is here. Can you see again? Page of Wands is here. Again, Eight of Wands. Lot of communication is here. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. And there is Ten of Pentacles. They want to create abundance of everything with you. Okay. Yes, can you see there is a lot of angel energy is here. There is divinely guided. This relation is something which is divinely guided. Divine is taking care of this relationship. Maybe there is an age gap between you and this person. That can be a possibility. And this person loves animals, okay? They are feeling that you are going to reject them. Yeah, use your intuitions. High Priestess wants to come out again. Okay, so yeah, now let's see what are the, because in the extended I'm going to clarify these cards in the more deeper level so that I can get to know more. But someone from your past is coming back, Aquarius, here. This person is not a new energy. This is someone from your past. You both know each other very well. They are coming towards you. They are rushing towards you. And why they are coming towards you? Because they are going through with lot of pain here. They are coming towards you because they are completing a cycle here. They are closing out the old cycles here. The World card is here. Now they are opening up the new cycles. Maybe in the past they were exploring all options. There is Seven of Cups is here. Maybe right now also they are having lot of options to choose, but they are focusing on this one big cup, and that's you. That's you, Aquarius. They see you, basically they are focusing on you, Aquarius, because they see you as very someone who is very happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Okay, they were the ones who were juggling a lot here with to bring a balance in a situation. Maybe with this person you are having a lot of fighting, drama, arguments. Okay, a lot of conflicts with this person in the past, and because of that they are thinking that if they offer the cup to you, you are going to reject them, you will not accept the cup. But this is someone who is financially stable, who knows how to manage his finances. Okay, so yes, this was there. Let's see what are the messages from the oracle. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. See, again the bottom of the deck I'm having High Priestess, Justice. I told you this is someone who is tasting their own medicine. They left you out in cold in the past. Now the karma is playing on their face. Some kind of karmic justice is taking place in your case, Aquarius. Use your intuitions, or this person is using intuitions. Okay, some kind of justice is being served in your case. I told you they're feeling like an hangman here. The Wheel of Fortune, good karma. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. They see you as someone who is an empress. Okay, they see your worth. You are very caring, nurturing, motherly figure here, because here Nine of Pentacles is a pre-empress card here. They see you as someone who is empress, okay, who has to take, handle with care. That's the message I'm getting here. The word, the sentence I'm getting here. You are someone who has to handle with care. They know that. But some kind of toxicity is attached to this person here. This is self-imposed boundaries or self-imposed something or anything which they are doing in excess, but some kind of toxicity is attached to this person here. The Devil is here. And because of this Devil, they are feeling like an hangman. Any other message for Aquarius for this reading? Any other message? Yeah. They are gaining strength to approach you, Aquarius. Here. They are gaining the strength to approach you. They're gaining the confidence to approach you here. But right now they are feeling like an hangman. They don't know. But they are coming towards you. They're gaining the strength. They are gaining the strength here. Let me see what are the... 1 minute. Let's see what are the signs you may be dealing with. Let's see what are the signs you can be dealing with. Okay. What are the signs Aquarius are dealing with? They can be a Taurus here. Okay. There is Pisces. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? They can be a Cancer here. Okay. Taurus, Pisces, Cancer. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? There can be a Leo. What are the Aquarius signs? They can be an Aquarius. Aquarius dealing with an Aquarius. What are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs? Is there any other sign? They can be a Scorpio here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Sagittarius. Okay, so Sagittarius, they can be a Scorpio here. They can be an Aquarius, Leo. They can be a Cancer, Pisces. They can be a Taurus here. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. So let's see. Thank you for giving the energies, the signs. Let's see what are the messages from your angels and ancestors. Let's see what are the messages from the angels and ancestors for this reading of March 2021. What are the messages you want me to deliver? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading? 1 minute. Beautiful messages. Direction guardian, choose your path. Move beyond ancestral patterns. There is an ancestral pattern which you are following, Aquarius. You need to break that ancestral pattern. Okay, move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Here, move beyond ancestral patterns. Choose your direction here. Choose your path. That's the message which I am getting here. Beautiful. And there is Lord, take charge with authority. This is the Emperor here. You have to take the authority, the control of your life in your hands. Why I'm having this? Because here the divine is saying, the angels are saying that you need to choose your path. Okay, which path you want to go? You need to choose your path, and you have to take the authority of your life in your own hands. Take the charge, take the control of your life in your own hands, Aquarius. And there is shaman, trust in higher forces. While doing meditation also, I was getting this message. You need to trust in the higher forces, that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Okay. There is druid, hold the space. Okay, this is hold the space. And there is elder, move beyond ancestral patterns. Okay, so you have to break your ancestral patterns, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages? Wow. Someone is feeling very guilt here. Okay, if you are having any kind of guilt, Aquarius, release any guilt if you are having it. Or this can be your person's energy. They are feeling very guilt, sorry, because they have treated you very bad. They know that after going through a lot of pain, now they know that they have treated you wrong here. They're feeling the guilt here. So maybe they are feeling the guilt here. Lot of expansion is happening for you, Aquarius. Can you see? There is, and in both of, and there is recovery here. In both pictures there are angels, there is Mother Gaia, there is divine. Everyone is with you here. They are giving you blessings here, Aquarius. Can you see? There is angels, there is Mother Gaia here. Everyone is with you. You are not alone at all here. You are not alone at all. There is Mother Gaia, there is angels, there is divine, and here also there is recovery. You are going to soon recover whatever you have lost. You will find the solution. You will find the key. The key is coming for you. Beautiful message is here. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from the yogic path. What are the messages for Aquarius? Someone is feeling very guilt, but wow, Parvati is here. Beautiful. Let me see any other message for Aquarius. This is the goddess of devotion. Why the brightness has been less? Okay, now this is the goddess of devotion, love, and yoga. You pull upon Parvati when you have taken immense action towards becoming your highest self. In Hindu mythology, Parvati was in love with unattainable Shiva, who was deep in the mountains practicing yoga and detached from the material world. She knew he needed the feminine to bring him down to earth, but he was totally inaccessible. Instead of begging and pleading, Parvati decided to become her highest self and seek enlightenment through yoga. Her family objected, saying women cannot become yogis, but she headed to the mountains anyway, where she stood in a frigid stream, balancing on one leg for uncountable months or years. Eventually, Shiva felt her immense energy and fell in love with her because of her strength and determination. Parvati represents commitment to practice, unbreakable willpower, and the power of self transformation. Continue your journey towards enlightenment. This is very powerful, Aquarius. This is very powerful. Keep going in a forward direction. You are on a right path, okay? You are on a right path. You are, right now giving, you are becoming your highest self, okay? You are getting transformed, you are getting the power of self transformation and unbreakable willpower. That's why here I'm having 9 of Pentacles here. Can you see? This is beautiful because you are doing your self love. This is beautiful. This is very much beautiful. This is very beautiful, I can say that, and very powerful message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful message to my Aquarius. Let's see one message from Activation Oracle deck. Healing wants to come out, but let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Conception. The frequency of conception invites us to bring our consciousness to our origin, the place where everything in creation begins. It helps us to remember the infinite potential and possibilities of this space and what we can manifest through our own focused awareness and intention. Beautiful message is here. So this was your message from this deck too. Let's add some message from the angel guide. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Acceptance. You are doing great, Aquarius. Keep loving yourself, okay? Keep going in a forward direction. You are doing your healing. You are doing your, you are trusting the divine, that everything is happening according to the divine. And that's beautiful. That's beautiful because this card, the Parvati card, was this is very powerful card for you, Aquarius, okay? This is the goddess of love, devotion, okay? You are becoming your higher self, the highest, purest self. Now let's see what are the messages from the angel guides for this reading of Aquarius for the month of March. 1 minute. This was fallen out and this was strength and guidance. See, I told you, you're keeping your strength and you're following your guidance which you are getting from the universe, and that's beautiful because you have surrendered yourself to the divine and you are thinking that everything is. Take a step back here, okay? Bottom of the deck I'm having listen deeply. Listen to your intuitions, Aquarius, here. Take a step back and listen to your intuitions deeply. Listen to your soul calling. That was the message in your general reading too. Okay? Keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Transformation, I told you. Transformation. You are becoming your highest self here. I told you this is very powerful reading. This is very powerful message here. You're becoming your higher self. Okay, you are getting self transformed. Transformation is taking place for you. Transformation. Any other message for Aquarius? Trust the universe. Beautiful. See, trust the universe. Trust the universe that there is a best plan for you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having manifestation. Whatever you are manifesting here, Aquarius, trust the universe. It will manifest according to the divine plan, according to the divine timing. That's the message I'm having for you. Trust the universe. Beautiful. Let's add some message from this deck and then I'm going to close out. Change. Change is coming for you here. I embrace change in this new day and I adapt to what is to come here. Whatever change is coming for you, you need to accept that you have to trust the universe here. The change is coming for you. Okay, beautiful changes are coming for you, Aquarius. You just need to trust the universe. So this was your general love reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Take care of yourself and see you soon.